Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Divas. Okay, so guys, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, join the family into my old subscriber. Guys, thank you so much. And if you're not following me on my Instagram page, please please do follow me on my Instagram page. And those that want to join the online training class, you keep asking how much on the comment section. I don't know what we are selling that you're asking how much on comment section on YouTube. That is not allowed. We don't discuss price on YouTube. It is not allowed. You are spamming the comment section. Please, if you want to know how much, my WhatsApp number is below the description box of this very video. And my Instagram page is also below the description box. And not just below, it's also up here. On this video, write me on my WhatsApp or come to my Instagram page, DM me and ask me how much. Stop asking how much here on YouTube now. Who does that? I beg, what are we selling? Please. Okay? So guys, let's start the business of today. So, yeah, lots of you have been asking me about scars. You have scars here, you have scars on your lap, you have scars on your legs, you have scars on your face, you have scars, maybe you did a operation and the mark is still there. Maybe you got injured long time ago and the mark is still there. You have been asking me what you're going to use. You have used lotion, you have used scrub, you have used this. Okay, enough of all that. It is time. Make I just do the video so that everybody go rest, because my DM now message. What will I use for scars? What will I use for sunburn? What will I use for this? But I love it anyway, because sometimes I get so bored. I just want to press my phone. If you're not doing anything, the only thing you can do is press phone and watch Netflix, right? So I love pressing my phone. And if you don't want to ask your question here on YouTube, you can come and ask me question on my Instagram page. Okay, please, not on my WhatsApp. Anybody will come WhatsApp, ask me question, block indirect. Okay, so come to my Instagram page, and before you ask me question, make sure you still follow me. Do me small favor, follow me, ask your question, and me myself, I will give you better answer too. Okay, so guys, here is a product you can use for scars, to clear out your scars. And it's not just a scars alone. Okay, it's also good for stretch mark. Okay, I do use it for stretch mark products. So here we have our lavender repair essence oil. So guys, this is the thing for scars. There may be other things you can also use for scars. Yes, there may be other great products that even work better for scars. Okay, but this is the one I know for now. This is the one I have tried for now. Okay, this is the one I have been using, so I can only tell you about this when it comes to scars. It is really great. Okay, so it is called Lavender Repair Essence, and we all know that when it comes to scars and stretch mark, lavender is the great thing. Even as the essential oil of lavender is for scars. Just go and Google benefit of essential oil. It will tell you that it's for scars and stretch mark. Okay, but this is not essential oil. Okay, this is not essential oil. This is like if I should call it serum, I don't know. They did not even say if it is serum. They did not say if it is oil. Let me just check. Not serum, not oil. It's just in a liquid form. So I will call it a serum because it is in a liquid form. And so serum, that's what I will call it. Okay, so I use this for scars, not on my face. I don't use it on my face. I have not applied this on my face before, because do I really have scars? Yes, I really have. I have some few scars on my face due to spots, pimples and all that, but I use this in another part, mostly for back of, we know the back now, waist. We women, we always have this line, so I don't want to be calling it on our waist. So those lines, I always apply it there. I don't know if it is called scars. It is not stretch mark either. I have this beautiful sexy lines on my waist, like this, up my waist. And below my buttocks, I have these lines there. So I use it to minimize the appearance. It is not stretch mark, trust me. Okay, if I see stretch mark, I go no. It's not stretch mark. So I always use this to minimize it, and it's great. It is working. And this is also for scars, and I use this to treat my leg. I have scars on my leg also. When I was in Nigeria now, that time I went to go and sell inside the market. Chai, New Benin, sorry, not New Benin market. For those of you in Benin, they call it Ring Road, Urban Market. I went to go and sell. I was hawking during the rainy season. I carried train for head. So I was just walking inside the market to selling my stuff. Now, so one of my leg just enter. Make I use pigeon. You go sweet for pigeon. One of my leg just enter inside the gutter. This gutter now, they use block to set inside the market. One of my leg enter inside. Boom! The thing scrape. So, market women, they rushed me and they were pouring, they were busting onions, not onions, tomatoes on it. So, till today, I still have these scars, and this is like 17 years ago. I think I've left Nigeria. Yeah, this should be like 17 to 18 years ago. So, I have this scar. So, this is what I'm using to clear it up. So, I do this every night. After taking my bath, or if I feel too tired to take my bath at night, I will use towel to wipe. I will soak towel, like put water on the towel and then rub it around, like trying to clean that area in case if there's any dirty, so that the dirty will not prevent this product from not working. Okay, so I will just clean that part and I will apply this lavender repair essence oil on it, and it is really, 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 really great. And for those of you that want to do promising thing, hey, this is also good for promising. I'm not gonna lie, I use this for promising also. I use this to promise stretch mark oil. It's the bomb when it comes to stretch mark oil. So that recipe, me, I'm not gonna tell you, okay? Now waiting that they say, and now waiting that they teach my students. So I will not tell you how I use this to do the stretch mark oil. It's to come. If you want to learn it, come on. If you want to learn, come register. So I use this to produce stretch mark oil, and I use this on my skin directly for my scars, and it is really, really great. It is working perfectly. So sorry guys, when I say perfectly, don't get it twisted though. Don't think you use it today, the next day scars don't vanish. Boom. You use it today, the next day stretch mark is gone. Boom. No. This work for scars, stretch mark, and wrinkles, okay? So you can get this from the market. I bought this from the market in Nigeria. So for those of you in Europe, you can get this from eBay. You can get this from Amazon, I think, yeah. From eBay, I've seen it on eBay anyway. And I also sell this one. I sell products. If you're in Europe, US, Canada, anywhere, I sell products. You can buy my product on eBay, or you just DM me directly and buy from me directly. So this is really, really great for scars. So for those of you that want to treat your scars, use it directly. Okay, use it directly. Keep applying it on that particular area. Keep applying it on that particular area. Maybe if you have a wound scars, if you have any scars you got from skincare, if you have any scars you got from pimples or whatsoever, if you have stretch mark, then you apply it. I've not really used this for stretch mark directly. I do miss it, like I do promise it to, I do use it to make a promising product for stretch mark, but I've not used it directly for stretch mark. Okay, so I'm not really going to tell, but for promising a stretch mark product, I use this to promise a stretch mark product, and it is working perfectly. It is working great, guys. And one thing again is, if you have scars, please, scrubbing is always great. Okay, scrubbing is always great. Before you use this oil on it or this serum on it, make sure that you are scrubbing that particular place like 3 times in a week, so that this oil or this serum can be penetrating deep into your skin. Okay, because if you're just applying this product on it without scrubbing it, it's just like, I don't know, your skin is really not going to soak it in, because for a product to work on your skin needs to soak it in. So make sure you scrub that particular part where you have the scars. So if you're too lazy to scrub, like, okay, you are not the type that always scrub your body, just scrub that particular place. And you don't need to even go and get scrub from the market. Okay, you don't need to go and get scrub from the market. You can just get your sugar, get your normal sugar, put your honey there, just squeeze some lemon juice inside and use it to scrub that scars, and you apply your lavender repair incense oil or serum on it. Keep doing it, applying it every day. With due time, you will just keep on seeing like, this thing not dey too show again like that. You know, the thing is not going to disappear, but you start noticing that it's not that pronounced. Like, it's not that pronounced. You're not seeing that how do they call it? It's not that pronounced, okay? Yeah, it's not that pronounced. So that is how it will just be fading away gently by gently. One thing about treating your skin is patience. Patience is the key, guys. These products, they work. They do work. If they are not working, the producer will not produce it. That is one thing we should all know. They work. If they are not working, they will not produce it, because if they produce it like 5 years ago and it's not working, they will stop producing it. But these products, if you check the history of this product, they have been selling this product for like more than 10 years, more than 20 years ago. So if it's not working, they will still not be producing it, okay? So don't just use 1 week you are tired, or you use 2 weeks you are tired. No, please continue the go. No, just take it easy. And one day when you look at your scars, you'll be like, this thing don't they fade away. You get it? So guys, that is it. So try and get this from the market. It is called Lavender Repair Essence, okay? And apply it on your scars every day. Even your face, it is allowed on your face, because it's great for wrinkles also. Apply it on your face, okay guys? Try this product and leave your comments below the comment section and tell me how it goes on your skin, guys. So that is it. Look at the sun. So guys, thanks, and I'm going to see you soon on my bye.